नहीं ये मैं भी ना सब कर लूँ लिंक दूँ अभी आप देख सकते हैं ये हाँ
अभी
यही पे
So, children, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Hopefully, yes. Now, थोड़ा सा देर हो गया है, लिंक्स थोड़ी चेंज की है, but we are definitely going to see the next topic, maybe थोड़ा सा 19-20, but we will get started. Now, we are going to take up with geometry, chapter number 4. अब आप बोलेंगे कि क्या बेटा सर 1 तो हुआ नहीं, 2 नहीं, 3 नहीं, डायरेक्टली 4, बट बेटा यू रिमेंबर वी आर डूइंग ग्रेड 10 एंड बोर्ड में आपको एनी हाउ पूरा का पूरा टेक्स्ट बुक है, राइट? तो व्हाई नॉट गेट स्टार्टेड विद सम इजी टॉपिक्स. सो आई नितिन सर thought of starting with chapter number 4. अब I hope कि आप सभी बच्चों ने आपका सब मटेरियल, राउंडर, उसके अंदर पेंसिल सब डाल के रेडी रखा रहेगा, isn't it? Ready up? Great. तो बेटा at present if you are having the textbook उसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. We will first start with the basics. I know we are going now live. तो बेटा बहुत स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली चलेंगे हम, ठीक है? तो कम ऑन, लेट्स सी हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. बच्चा लेट्स रिवाइज विद द बेसिक. तो बेसिस कैसा हो, बेसिक क्या है इसमें? वी विल फर्स्ट लर्न टू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर. ओके, तो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन डिक्टेट करता हूं. सो इफ यू आर देयर विद योर बुक्स बेटा, तो कम ऑन, लेट्स सी how to get started with. तो सिंपल सा, आराम से, आई हैव दिखा मेरे को सब बैठे हुए हैं, तो चलिए आराम से शुरू करते हैं. लेट्स ड्रॉ, क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे आप लोग. ड्रॉ सेगमेंट AB of 7.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. ओके, तो क्या है क्वेश्चन? कंस्ट्रक्ट सेगमेंट AB of 7.5 centimeter and construct its perpendicular bisector. ठीक है, आई होप क्वेश्चन आपने लिख लिया होगा. अब बच्चा लेट अस सी हाउ टू डू दैट. सिंपल, कम ऑन, अपने अपना स्केल पेंसिल निकालेंगे आप और लेट्स सी एक पेज पर दो सम्स तो होने चाहिए अपने. इसके लिए डोंट वेस्ट मच ऑफ योर पेजेस. ओके, तो थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ लेट अस ड्रॉ सेगमेंट A B. और हाउ बिग आर यू गोइंग टू ड्रॉ दिस? 7.5. ठीक है, बट डोंट राइट 7.5 इन द सेंटर. थोड़ा उस तरफ आप लिखिएगा उसको. 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अब हाउ टू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर? कम ऑन, टेक योर राउंडर और अ कंपास. रखा नहीं, किधर किधर है? चलो ढूंढो, पेंसिल डालो उसके अंदर. ओह, स्टूडेंट्स आर ज्वाइनिंग नाउ. लेट, 3 बजे बोला था सर, पहले वाली लिंक चल नहीं रही थी. ओके, आई डू अंडरस्टैंड. नोटिफिकेशन में भेजा था, असाइंस में भी कहा था. कम ऑन, रिलैक्स. Now, those who are seeing me, but this video is exclusively for standard 10. And some of you from the Jugal Joshi's Commerce Academy, अगर आप भी इस चैनल में जुड़ गए हैं तो आई थिंक ये लेक्चर आपके किसी काम का नहीं होगा. तो only thing you can revise your 10th standard. Okay, girls and boys, I can see some of the comments. Okay, coming up on the live session. तो बच्चा, if you are in 12th or TYBCom, thank you, bye bye. Others, 10th standard, perfect coaching classes. बेटा देखो ना, दूसरों के चैनल में जाके लाइव लेना पड़ रहा है. कितनी बार बोल रहे हैं आपसे कि एक बंदे ने सिर्फ 5 लोगों को भी सब्सक्राइब करवाया तो वी विल फुलफिल द टारगेट ऑफ 1000. फिर अपना चैनल, अपने लोग, why to then जो है take others? Still, we would like to thank the Jugal Joshi's Commerce Academy. नासिक रोड का सबसे बड़ा कॉमर्स क्लासेस है, जिन्होंने हमें ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है. कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज हो रही है, खास करके जो नेटवर्क से रिलेटेड, तो वी हैव टू टेक दिस वीडियो थोड़ा, मे बी आई अंडरस्टैंड, मे बी नॉट ऑफ दैट गुड क्वालिटी, बट आई एम विजिबल, बोर्ड इज विजिबल, एंड सबसे बड़ी बात, पढ़ाई इज विजिबल. तो इसके लिए जस्ट रिलैक्स. अदर्स प्लीज एक अपने फ्रेंड्स को फोन कीजिए. कम ऑन, द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स व्यूइंग शुड कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग. चलो, द परफेक्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव ड्रॉन AB of 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर कैसे ड्रॉ करना होता है? कीप द राउंडर at A, then open your compass more than half of it. Open more than half. Correct? Draw an arc ऊपर के साइड. Same way, get an arc नीचे की साइड पर. Now, don't change the radius. Shift your needle to point B and cut. अब बच्चा, those who have drawn this, हो सकता है किसी की आर्क्स बड़ी आ गई, किसी की छोटी आ गई, तो प्लीज इरेजर से आर्क्स को रब नहीं करने का. ओके सर, मैंने तो कर दिया. अभी किया है, दोबारा मत करियो. बच्चा, द थिंग इज कि द 10th स्टैंडर्ड में बोर्ड का एक स्ट्रिक्ट रूल है कि आर्क्स व्हेन ड्रॉन कैन नॉट बी रब्ड. तो इसीलिए सोच समझ के ही आर्क्स को ड्रॉ करना चाहिए. अब आप इतने बड़े हो गए हो तो आपको थोड़ा सा कॉमन सेंस अगर हम यूज करें कि इफ दिस इज AB of 7.5 and we are constructing उसका perpendicular bisector, that is the segment that will divide AB into 2 equal parts, then in that case the line is going to go from the center. So therefore, when you're drawing the arc, make sure you are exactly giving the arc nearby the center of the segment. Correct? And then come on, let's join it. give arrows. Got it? फिर give a perpendicular symbol. Next, show this congruent signs. I hope you are getting me. So this is what we call it as constructing a perpendicular bisector. Simple. 5th, 6th, 7th में कहीं ना कहीं पढ़ा होगा. आज का something interesting, basic. I think so. 6th standard में हमने construction सीखा था. Let us revise even that. Now, what is the next topic? How to construct an angle congruent to the given angle. Okay, चलिए, I'll help you to understand. Next हम देखते हैं हम लोग. Draw angle ABC of 70 degree. Remember? So we are going to draw angle ABC of 70 degree and construct an angle congruent to angle ABC without using the protractor. Okay, so that without using the protractor. अब ये बचकाना construction है, but we are going to use it in grade 10. चलो, what we'll do is now, first of all, the angle ABC has to be drawn of how much degree? How much? 70 degree. Okay? Come on, let's draw angle ABC of 70 degree. All of you. Okay, I hope you all have drawn now the angle ABC. नहीं? चलो चलो, my dear students are waiting. पूरा क्लास भरा हुआ है. देखो मैं किसे पढ़ा रहा हूँ आपको. Come on guys. ABC. How much degree? 70. So we draw angle ABC with using a protractor of 70 degree. Come on, let's do it aram se. No ghai, no hurry. Fine. Up, I want to construct another angle which is congruent to angle ABC. So it's so simple. Sir, I'll take the protractor, measure 70 degree and finish it. But ऐसा नहीं करना है. I want to draw it without using the protractor. So how to do it? Come, let's see. नीचे we'll draw a ray QR. Okay, we have drawn ray QR. Up, take your compass, that is your rounder. Up, the pencil is loaded in it. Okay. Up, I will say you have to open your compass zara sa. When I say zara sa, so you are confused. How much should we open? Bacha, just open 1.5 centimeter. ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं है that you should open 1.5, but so that everybody who is seeing me should be able to get it correctly. तो बेटा कम ऑन, रेडी, 1.5 सेंटीमीटर खोलेंगे आप. कीप योर नीडल एट B. And you have already opened 1.5. Come on, see, keeping the needle at B, you have opened 1.5, make an arc. Up, keeping it 1.5, keep the needle at Q. Okay? Up, keeping the needle at Q, same way. Alright? Okay. Up, what will you do? Keep needle at this point. And now is the real game. You have to adjust your rounder so that the pencil should touch this point. Come on, keeping the needle here. Needle यहाँ पर, touching the pencil at this point, you will get one cut. Video? Okay. समझ रहा है बच्चा? नहीं? फिर से एक बार. Keep the needle here. Rounder 1.5 नहीं. You have to adjust it. या तो छोटा या तो बड़ा. Okay? करके give a cut exactly at this point. Same way, move your needle to this point. Did you? Okay? And already the rounder is open. Give a cut. ठीक है? And then ये वाला point Q and this point. चलो, take your scale and join it. Draw a ray. You could mark it as P. Yeah, आराम से, relax. Many of you who have joined now, never mind, this video would be stored in your app. You can again play back. Yes? Now come on, those who have done this, take your protractors and check the measure of angle PQR. How much? So check the previous one. Previous one is 60. So that means there was a mistake initially while taking the angle. Never mind. Let's do one more sum of this type. Okay? Come on. Let's draw another angle with the same name, ABC. Those who have got it correct, very good. Maybe you have done your elementary and intermediates. Want additional marks at board? Good. Chalo, we'll carry on. Let's draw one more angle. Of how much degree this time? Let's change it to 60. That's quite easy. Come on, draw angle ABC of just 60 degree. Exactly 60. Equilateral triangle. BC. Take protractor. Keep it at B. Mark your point. Writing here 60 degree. Okay. Chale. Now, this is the 60 degree angle. We are supposed to draw a congruent angle to angle ABC without using your protractors. So once again, let us draw the baseline. QR. Is it the baseline? Up, what did I say previously? open how much बच्चा 1.5. वैसे तो you can open 2.5, but then conjugacy. Okay, therefore let's open 1.5. Chalo, did you open 1.5? Come on, keep the needle at B. And give an arc. Okay, same way, get your needle at Q. Give an arc. I hope everybody is getting. Yeah, the viewers are increasing. Good. Up. Keep the needle at this point. And open the rounder to just touch the pencil at this point. नीडल इधर रखिए, पेंसिल को यहां पर टच कीजिए. ओके, एंड गिव अ कट. है, एंड ध्यान से मूव योर पेन नीडल एट दिस पॉइंट. राउंडर उतना ही जितना यहां पर खोला था. ओके, सावधानी से गिव अ कट. आता दिया बेटा आपने ओके. चलिए अभी इस पॉइंट को और इस पॉइंट को आप ज्वाइन कीजिए टू गेट पी. Did you get an angle PQR? BT? Okay. Now use your protractor. Check what is the measure of angle PQR. How much again? Okay. My students over here are making some mistake. Maybe nazar hati, durgatna ghati. Isn't it, bachcha log? So hopefully. Okay, this is 60. This you do it with a protractor, isn't it? इसको protractor से ही draw किया था ना? How much is that previous angle? Check. And नीचे 162. एक मिनट, I'll just come. Okay, no worry, यहीं पर है हम. Just checking if the पूरा class जो भरा हुआ है. Just a joker, man. There's nobody, and just at my home. Okay, delivering lecture. तो बच्चा, I just saw it कि one of my cousin जो है, as many of you know, तो just made her sit at my home at a sufficient distance. So she is there. So was checking whether what she is doing and all of you are doing, is it the same? Now, if you have got it correct, so hats off. Keep both your construction. This is the basic of the second exercise, 4.2. 4.1, that will be a session for tomorrow. Today, we are going to target on 4.2 because that's quite easy one. So for this 4.2, we are going to require the first construction, that is to construct a perpendicular bisector. The second construction of drawing congruent angles. ठीक है, एक बार फिर से समझ जाइए बच्चा, how they have done this one. नहीं तो बाद में वीडियो को रिवाइंड करके देखिएगा, you'll definitely get it. Now let us move to the topic 4.2. What are we going to learn in 4.2? In 4.2, we are going to learn about the tangent construction. Have you ever heard this word? Tangent? Yes, guys? Tangent? सुना तो है किधर सर मैथ्स में तो पढ़ा था बट चलो maybe you have forgotten the tangent. So let's revise what is a tangent. So beta, if I draw a circle and there is a line that touches the circle externally, I emphasize on the word externally at one and only one point. The line that touches the circle externally from outside at one and only one point is called a tangent. So our topic is now how to construct tangents to the given circle. Okay? तो इस टॉपिक में हमें अभी जो हमने थोड़ा पहले रिवाइज किया था those two constructions will be useful. Okay? चलो, I'll give you a sample as all of you are already ready with your books and pens. So chalo, note down a question. Draw a circle O as a center and radius 4 centimeter, full stop. Take a point P on the circle. Take a point P on the circle and construct tangent at point P. I repeat, draw a circle with center O, radius 4 centimeter. Take a point P on the circle and construct tangent at point P. Okay. Now these type of questions come for 3 marks. So beta, out of the 3 marks, 1 mark is for your rough figure. And please remember the rough figure should always be on your right side. Okay? So you have your rounder, and in case you're having a stencil with you, so you can use your stencil for drawing a rough figure. Okay? Stencil rather stencil, or else rounder say you can make your rough sketch. Bacha? Come on, let's draw the rough figure. Here this is the center O. This shows the radius 4 centimeter. This is the point P. Okay, and this line marks the tangent. We will be learning more about the tangents in the previous chapter number 3, that is circle. As for now, constructions related to the tangents to be understood. Okay? If you have got your rough figure, now come on, get ready for the fair figure. Rounder a pencil. Open 4 centimeter. Some of you are moving. हाँ चालू है lecture, बाद में आएंगे देखेंगे. हाँ बच्चा, get it learn lively. Come on, did you open your compass for 4 centimeter? Great. Now move towards the left of the page and draw a circle. Maybe my circles are not exactly circles, but these are all freehand without any instruments. Mark the center as O. And what is the radius of the circle? 4 centimeter. So we can show dotted, dotted, dotted. Radius 4 centimeter. Okay. We have to take a point P on the circle, and this point P can be taken anywhere. I repeat, anywhere. Kuttepan. Okay. So let us take it over here. There's no hard and fast you have to take here. You can take that point P anywhere, child. Got the point P? Okay. Up, using your scale, draw a ray OP. Extended. Draw a ray OP. I found this is all. Chalo. Get it? I hope you are drawing the lines. Bacha, you? कर रहे हो ना? Okay. Up, we want the tangent at point P. So, keep your needle at point P. Needle. Rounder key needle at point P and touch the pencil at O. ठीक है? Needle at P, pencil at O. Draw this up. ध्यान से needle at P, pencil at O. Yeah? Up. Then come this side with the same radius. Give a cut. Okay? Fine. Now, these two arcs mark the endpoints of the segment. जैसे हमने first construction किया today, drawing perpendicular bisector of AB. Now we have to repeat the same construction over here. So what will you do, beta? We'll keep needle at this point. Here, open more than P. बच्चे बताते हैं बेटा, needle यहाँ पे रखिए and pencil more than P. खोला? Needle इस point पे, pencil more than P, and then ऊपर की तरफ आर्क, नीचे की तरफ आर्क. Same way, shift the needle at point O. किया? Needle at point किस पे गया? O पे. फिर आप इसको वहीं से कट. आराम से. We're not in a hurry. Relax. Students at home, good. Many students viewing it. Some of you again going, coming. Huh? Once you have done this, be very careful. Using your scale, you have to draw a straight line that will connect these 2 points, and the line should touch the circle only and only at P. Hoga. Come on, check it out. So, see, the line that you have drawn is passing through the 2 arcs. It is touching the circle externally at P. Great. And now, the property of a tangent that you should keep in mind. Kya beta? The tangent and the radius are always perpendicular. I repeat, the tangent and the radius are always perpendicular. So therefore, please show a perpendicular sign over here. Is it better? पक्का? समझ रहा है? What have you learned in this sum? आया आपका? बरोबर आया? Where does the line touch? Point P. अंदर क्या बाहर? बाहर. On the line. Correct? Go for it. She is getting it. Everybody is getting it. ऐसा मुझे लगता है. तो this was a simple one. चलिए, let's take another construction. देखिए आप यहाँ पर this symbol, perpendicular symbol. ठीक है? Now, moving to the next sample. Let's do. Draw a circle with center O, radius 4 centimeter, radius 4 centimeter. Take a point P on the circle. Some would say, sir, question repeat हो रहा है. Wait a minute. Picture अभी बाकी है. Point P on it and construct a tangent at P. सर सेव हो गया. अरे रुकना भाई, रुक. At P without using the center of the circle. Hello, repeat. Without using the center of the circle. और अब भाई बहन बेटी बच्चा जो लास्ट के वर्ड्स है ना, without using the center of the circle, please underline that. Underline. Without using the center of the circle को underline कीजिए. ठीक है? Done it? Now remember क्या लिखा है इसमें? Without using the center. So we are going to again draw a rough figure, but we are not going to mark the center. ठीक है? तो प्लीज जो स्टार्टिंग में लिखा है हमने सेंटर O, उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है. No 4 centimeter. Just you show me a circle, gotcha, and this is the tangent. No need to have the center of the circle. Come on, draw a circle. रफ फिगर बनाएंगे सब लोग. हो घर पे मजे चलते रहेंगे. दोपहर का टाइम है सर, बट बच्चा मेजॉरिटी ऑफ यू वोटेड, ऑलमोस्ट 85% have voted for 3 to 5. Now those who wanted it in morning, I am not sorry for that. Majority rules. ठीक है? Come, I hope you're with me. Drawing the circle without the center. चलो, let's draw the fair figure. 4 centimeter खोलेंगे राउंडर. Should I help you? Draw किया आपने? Good. Now, don't mark the center, but we want a point P, fair, on the circle. You can take anywhere. चलो, this time over here. Mark that point as P. ठीक है? अब draw a triangle inside the circle, taking P as a vertex. That means यहाँ से आप ऐसे anyhow just get a triangle with P as one of its vertex. Yeah, those having some shadow problems, थोड़ा बहुत तो चलता है, isn't it? Huh? And I already texted that there are certain issues, but you are so sweet children. Hmm? Okay, are you with me? Wow, the number is going high. Great, perfect coaching classes. Good. Hmm? अब remember हमने आज second basic क्या सीखा था? To draw congruent angles, है ना? तो चलो अब we are going to get it the same. We want over here a tangent at P. तो कैसे करेंगे? चलेंगे? अब बच्चा keep needle at this point. यहाँ पर रखो needle. और how much are you going to open? 1.5 सेंटीमीटर. कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल्स का कंस्ट्रक्शन सीखा था ना जब आपने? ओ भाइयों, थोड़ी देर पहले तो सीखो है. कितना खोलेंगे? किधर रखेंगे नीडल? इस पॉइंट पर. ठीक है, 1.5 खोला आपने. गिव दिस शेप. आराम से यहां पर नीडल इधर 1.5 खोल के गिव इट अ कट. नाउ कीप द नीडल एट पॉइंट P. ठीक, और कीपिंग नीडल एट पॉइंट P, गिव द आर्क दिस शेप. ट्रायंगल के अंदर नहीं है, ट्रायंगल के बाहर है. देख रहे हो बेटा? बराबर निकाला है. ओके, अब keep the needle इस पॉइंट पर. and what you have to do is adjustments. जैसे हम अभी कर रहे हैं, घर में रहकर पढ़ रहे हैं, ऑफलाइन नहीं पढ़े, अब ऑनलाइन भी पढ़ रहे हैं. दैट इज एडजस्टमेंट. बराबर? तो कीप नीडल एट दिस पॉइंट. यहां तक पेंसिल को टच कीजिए. फिर से बच्चा आराम से नीडल इस पॉइंट पे, पेंसिल को टच करें, एडजस्ट करेंगे यहां कलर, गिव अ कट. ठीक है, अब बेबी ब्रिंग द नीडल एट दिस पॉइंट. यहां पर ध्यान से मेरे साथ है, और राउंडर उतना ही खुला हुआ है. गिव अ कट. आता है? आया? ओके, नाउ टेक योर स्केल. पॉइंट P और ये वाला पॉइंट है आपका इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट. कम ऑन, get a line passing through the 2 points. Whoops. And that is the tangent without using the center of the circle. That means the tangent without using the center. तो पहले वाले में हमने क्या यूज किया था? परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर वाला कंस्ट्रक्शन. जो सेकंड टॉपिक था ये वाला मेथड में, which construction? To draw congruent angles. अगर if you are having your protectors, obviously you are having, तो check the measure of this angle and this angle will be equal. ये दोनों angles का measure equal होगा automatically. Magic, जादू. चेक करो, आप भी कीजिए. You have some made some mistake. Yeah, this time correct. Good children, keep it up. Want some time? 1 मिनट. चलो चलो बताओ फिर से. बेटा नीडल यहाँ पर, फिर you have to adjust and keep the pencil at this point. Give a cut. हुआ इतना? फिर bring the needle इधर यहाँ पर and वही रेडियस के साथ give a cut. This is the cut. And join P at this point to get a straight line. Hopefully, you're getting me. ये बाकी के जाते किधर आते जाते, I am seeing the numbers who have joined me. चलो, got me? Next सम लेते हैं. आइए, next पेज पे जाइए बच्चा. Draw a circle with center O radius 4 centimeter. Take a chord PQ of 6 centimeter and construct tangents at points P and Q. Construct tangents at points P and Q. Let us repeat the question. Draw a circle with center O, radius 4 centimeter. Draw a chord PQ of 6 centimeter and construct tangents at P and Q. Okay. Now, don't forget, 1 mark is for your rough figure. So, we have to first draw the rough figure on the right side. Chalo, draw a circle, mark the center O. We need a chord PQ that is of 6 centimeter. Now, there are two tangents, one at P and another at Q. So, using your scale, the rough figure, these are two tangents. Now, it might happen that these two would intersect each other, may not intersect. Depends upon how much radius are you opening on your compasses. Okay, all of you might have different figures. This is your rough figure. Let's start with the fair one, bacha. So come on, circle in the center of the page. Radius exactly 4 centimeter. Same question, same method. Bas badal ke something is dal fry, dal makhni, dal tadka. Okay, quite basic is clear, so everything is clear. Center O. We go to a restaurant, तो क्या एक ही दाल के 10 आइटम होते हैं. वही दाल with this, dal with this. What is the base part? It is the same dal. ऊपर से somebody is putting लाल मिर्ची, हरी मिर्ची, जीरा. Rest is the same. So we should always work upon the base. In my previous lectures also I have been talking that whenever we are doing maths, beta, don't get worried about what type of sum has come. Okay, when you learn this type, you will see, अरे sir, ये तो पहले वाले जैसा ही है. So one should only understand the basic. Up before I teach you this, but remember in this question I haven't used the word without using the center. And क्योंकि मैंने इसमें नहीं कहा आपसे without using the center means we have to use the center. And when I say we have to use the center means you have to construct perpendicular bisector. Great बच्चा, घरी पण समजतं ना? Good. फक्त मी बघू शकत नाही. That's the only thing. Okay? पण माझ्या भावना पोहोचतात तुमच्यापर्यंत. Okay, come on. Now, somewhere on the circle, mark the point P. Now, what is the length of the chord? 6 centimeter. So, open your rounder 6 centimeter. Okay. Keep needle at P. And we have already opened 6 centimeter. Cut. See, keep needle at P. And you open 6 centimeter. See, where does the cut come? Q. Mark that point as Q. And using your scale, join P with Q. So this is your chord. Show 6 centimeter. Okay. Have you got me? Now take your scale again. And जो first sum हमने किया था, that was when we took the point P on the circle. Same method now. From O, you will extend the radius through P. Similarly, from O, extend the ray through Q. तो अगर ध्यान दो तो this is the very same type we did the first sum. जैसे first sum किया था ना, वैसे ही we have to now construct perpendicular bisectors. First at P, or you can even draw first at Q. चलो let's take it at Q. कैसे करेंगे? Needle at Q. Pencil to touch O. Needle at Q. Pencil to touch at O. Reversely, needle at Q, pencil till O, and यहाँ पर भी. So see, this is now our segment, जिसका हमें perpendicular bisector draw करना है. Wow, she is going fast. Good, good. Up, needle at O. Pencil more than Q. Pencil more than Q खोला आपने. Needle at O more than Q. ऊपर नीचे. Draw an arc ऊपर, draw an arc नीचे. Shift your needle at this point and cut the two arcs. ज्यादा बड़ी आर्क्स मत ड्रॉ करो, देन रब नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, किया. अब when you have cut it, चलो let's draw the segment, sorry, the line that will touch the circle at Q. Wow, even without the instruments. Shabash sir, shabash. Chalo, got this? So this is your tangent at point Q. Up, I hope you know how to do it at P. I will do it. Keep the needle at P. Touch the pencil at O. Wait, why am I telling? Come on, try करो. I'll just join you again. यहीं हूँ. Draw कीजिए तब तक. चलिए हो गया, यही है हम। ओके, now those who have done, देखिए कैसे हुआ। So I hope you must have kept your needle at P, opened the pencil tip O, cut this side, pencil इस बाजू लीजिए, needle P पे था, इस बाजू कट, इस बाजू। अब needle at this arc, open more than P, P से ज्यादा खोलिएगा, ऊपर आर्क, नीचे आर्क, फिर go at O and cut the two arcs. Alright? And then many of you at home must have joined it. So you get your two tangents. Chalo better. So you get the tangents at P and Q. Beta, this is having a radius 4 centimeter. So you can write here 4 centimeter. If you want, you can even write here 4 centimeter. Don't forget to put the perpendicular का sign, क्योंकि the radius and the tangent are always perpendicular to each other. ठीक है? चलो, I hope सभी ने किया होगा घर पे. Fine. Let's move now. आगे चले. Next sum में देखते हैं बेटा. Draw a circle with center O. Draw a circle with center O radius 3 centimeter, radius 3 centimeter. Take a point P at a distance 8 centimeter from O, at a distance 8 centimeter from O, and construct tangents from P. I repeat, draw a circle, center O, radius 3 centimeter. Take a point P at 8 centimeter from the center and construct tangents from P. Now, did you concentrate on that word tangents? S. It clearly shows the plural form of tangent, meaning that there is more than one tangent to be drawn, isn't it? So I'll give the secret. In this case, the point P is outside the circle, and whenever the point lies outside the circle, so from such an external point, we can always draw two tangents to the circle. How many? Two tangents. मतलब इस sum में we are going to draw how many tangents? Two. बराबर? आइए देखते हैं कैसे. The rough figure on your right side, a small circle, center O, a point P at around 8 centimeter. The radius is 3 centimeter. And as I told you that from an external point we can draw two tangents. So two tangents from point P. Let us name this as M and N. All of you, please ensure that you do draw the rough figure. If the rough figure is missing, you lose your marks. बराबर? तो आराम से circle, center O, point P outside. From that point, we take two tangents. This we should know, and this we are going to learn in the third chapter of geometry named circle. Whatever we are learning in this topic of construction of tangents, actually these are all properties which are going to be introduced to you in the third chapter. Some schools, I would like to take the names, keep the third chapter straight away for the prelims. Some of them take it in the semesters. Okay, whereas few who are really in a hurry take the third chapter circle in the unit test. It all depends upon the schools. But few schools, especially the local schools, they think the circle is a heavy lesson, hence it has been usually kept for the prelims. Okay, but anything that if you do consistently and with full concentration, definitely is easy. Chalo, no more pravachans. Coming back to the sun. Come on, draw a circle with radius 3, but please keep the circle towards the left. I repeat, make the circle being drawn more towards your left. This is a circle. Mark the center O, radius 3 centimeter. Now this particular video that you're seeing at presently live automatically gets stored into your app. So in case if many of you who are joining and leaving again and again can definitely again go through the video and please complete the today's homework. Parents who are seeing me, I humbly request each of the parent to see that the children do take initiative of completing the homework part. Now, what is the homework? I'm just taking my own examples to help the concept get clarified. You please try to do the exercise 4.2. In fact, I'm trying to cover all the sums of the exercise 4.2, but with different numbers. You today are likely to take an initiative and complete exercise 4.2. Though I'm not physically in front of you to see and scold you or take action, but I request the parents again and again keep this all efforts which me and my team are taking. Please, the students should take more of interest. The number of viewers that I can see at present is changing drastically. So I don't know parents want their cell phones or not, but it was all pre-planned that we are going to go live 3 to 5. And it was after a unanimous voting that we have opted with this particular time. And if students won't take more interest, then all our efforts are going to go in vain. So please parents, we do need your support. मराठी रिक्वेस्ट करतो आपण सगळ्या पालकांनी जे आहे आम्हाला थोडं सहकार्य करावे कारण की आपण जर पार्टिसिपेशन नाही घेतलं तर मग आमची सगळी मेहनत जी आहे ती वाया जाणार आहे. आपण पुन्हा कधी भेटणार आहोत, पोर्शन कधी होणार आहे, काय होणार, परीक्षा लांबवली जाणार आहे का नाही, शाळा उघडणार आहे का नाही, या सगळ्या गोष्टी जे आहे ना त्यांच्यावर मोठा प्रश्नचिन्ह आहे. तर मग पालकांनी आणि आपण मुलांनी याची थोडी जाणीव करून घ्यावी आणि कंटिन्युअसली एफर्ट्स घेऊन जे ना इंटरेस्ट घेऊन दररोज अभ्यास करायला सुरुवात करावी. बरेचसे विद्यार्थी टेस्टच देत नाही. Many of you are not submitting your homework. I don't know why. Parents, maybe they are quite occupied in their own household activities. But then students, this time is the time to take up your own responsibility. You are no longer a kid. You are a grown-up or a mature person. And hopefully you can understand your own responsibility. बार-बार प्रवचन देके क्या बोर कर रहे सर? Nothing like that, beta. I'm just trying to wake you up, Sid. Chalo, let's come back to the topic. I hope y'all respect of teachers, respect your parents, and will get started. If not today, so now, come on. Chalo. Now, we will have to take a point P at 8 centimeter. Chalo, scale लीजिए. Take a point P at 8 centimeter from O. Now ये वाला point 8 centimeter पे है, 6 पे है, 5 पे, doesn't make a difference at all. The topic has to be understood. So I've taken point B at 8 centimeter. आ रहा है आपको? चलो. Now we are going to construct the perpendicular bisector of OP and please use your समझ गया ना कि सर्कल का रेडियस कितना है 3, OP कितना है 8 का हाफ कितना होता है 4. तो फिर जो आपका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है वो 4 पे आएगा और ये कितना है सिर्फ 3. तो 4 मतलब बाहर. Your perpendicular bisector is not going to touch the circle. क्योंकि सर्कल का रेडियस सिर्फ 3 है और सेगमेंट 8 का है, इतना तो समझता है ना रे। कम ऑन, गेट इट, कीप नीडल एट मोर देन हाफ, मोर देन हाफ। फिर ऊपर आर्क, नीचे आर्क, कीप इट एट P। आ रहा है बेटा? ओके, कंस्ट्रक्ट oh please, you don't do my style. I don't have instruments. You have it. So we have got the perpendicular bisection. Let's put this point as M and N is being used. We'll put it as Q. Have you got me? Chalo. Now keep the needle at point Q. And touch your pencil at O. Check, is your pencil even touching P? If your pencil, keep your needle at Q, touch your pencil at O, check, is your pencil touching P? It should, because we have drawn a perpendicular bisector. And I hope many of you, उनका पेंसिल बरोबर P को टच कर रहा है. Strange that. I'll just see. क्या मैं आपको से बताऊँ फिर बताऊँ. Now, keep needle at Q, pencil to touch at O. Now see if is it touching P. It will, because you have drawn a correct perpendicular bisector. So, needle Q, pencil O. Come on, now draw a circle that will pass from O and P. Hoops. Keeping needle at Q, Q पे needle रखनी है, pencil O तक खोलना है, and draw a circle passing from O and P. ठीक? And then you would see that the two circles are touching each other at two distinct points. Name one as M. Name other one as N. M and N. Okay? And now, very carefully, using a scale, join PM means you have to draw a ray. It starts from P and goes from M. Yes, same. Take another ray that gets from P, passes through P say N and let it go. Yes, Mila? Great. Okay, now the magic of it. If you take your scale and measure the length PM, exactly P से M तक का लेंथ मेजर करो और बताओ मत कितना है, कीप इट इन योर माइंड. Okay, and then measure the length of PN. They both will be equal. आया, देखा मैजिक? Automatically PM and PN का length is the same. That is equal. अगर आता है मतलब you are correct. The two tangents which are drawn from an external point are always congruent. This is in fact a very favorite theorem at the board paper. So, tangents drawn from an external point are always congruent. This is again a concept in your previous chapter. तो हमने क्या देखा बेटा आज? We first saw that how to construct a perpendicular bisector. We saw constructing of congruent angles without using the protractor. That was the basis. Later on, I think so we have done 4 sums. In the first one, the construction of a tangent using the center. The second one, the constructing a tangent without using the center. In the third sum, I gave you a chord. Is it? And the fourth one, we have taken a point that is outside the circle. Now, in the last sum for today, we'll take an angle and I will show it only a part of it. Then you, abhi ke abhi, are going to complete it. Come on, let's take a final question. And in my session, I've been repeatedly telling you that exercise 4.2 has to be done as your assignment for the day. I hope everybody is going to do it. In fact, if you're quite excited to practice, as many of you are, I would also suggest you that please choose yourself the sums related to today's topic from your miscellaneous and even try to do it. Though I'm not compelling you, but parents, those who are seeing, please try to do it. Ask them, not you don't do it, parents, but make the students do that. It's quite easy. Okay, chalo. Let's proceed now with the final sum, and once we do it, then our session for the day would be closed up. Let's come to the question. Draw a circle with center O, radius 4 centimeter, draw an angle AOB. I repeat, the name of the angle is angle AOB of 120 degree, angle AOB of 120 degree, and construct tangents at A and B. Okay, chalo, see you. The rough figure. This time I'm going to my right. As I saw a remark, people saying the board is shining, but this is my home and some adjustments. The center is O. Remember, the radius of the circle was 4 centimeter. And then just roughly -120 degree Okay, so this is your rough sketch. We have a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Thereafter, you have an angle AOB of 120 degree at the center. So this is your rough figure. Now coming to the fair figure, somewhere in the center of the book, of the page, sorry, get a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Mark the center of the circle O. Then extend the radius. This is 4 centimeter. Mark it as A. Take your protractor, keeping the center at O. Protractor. Keep it at the center and 120 degree एंगल मेजर करना आएगा ना 16 ही मार्क करना है 120 obtuse angle this side पाई चार्ट में बताएगा आपको 120 degree this is B then अब पहले कॉर्ड था अब एंगल है same construction we have to get perpendicular at A perpendicular at B and those will be your tangents चलिए we'll do it together keep needle at A pencil at O then come in this side is it okay good then keep the needle at this point open more than A फिर give a cut ऊपर give a cut नीचे shift the needle at O and you can give 2 cuts yes आ रहा है बेटा good then draw a straight line passing through A see got it अब same thing you have to repeat it at B okay and I hope आप करेंगे चलो try to do it come on your own खुद कीजिए in the meanwhile I'll just try to summarize the session for today please complete it and get a tangent at B okay आ जाएगा जाएगा कहाँ don't forget to give your perpendicular markings at A and at B. Now, people at home definitely can understand. We are without instruments at present. I've tried my best to convey the method to you. Hopefully, there could be certain shortcomings. I would request parents to send in feedbacks at WhatsApp strictly. Please do not put any hi, hellos, and other chat things in the chat box of the perfect app. Students, they get up in the morning, they say hi, hello, and the chat box is getting those things. Please, the app is strictly and strictly for educational purposes. To those who can see me at present and others who will watch me at a later end, I, Nitin sir, would like to call Gaurav sir, please sir, from Jugal Joshi's Academy, who has come all the way from his home, okay, in security and come at my home, okay. This is Gaurav sir.
Hello friends.
I really thank sir for his technical support and letting us have usage of their channel. I do understand कुछ शाइनिंग वगैरह हुआ रहेगा but then घर है हमारा somehow we have just managed up thanks to Jugal Joshi's Commerce Academy, Gaurav sir in particularly for extending his helping hand. They have always been a good help to us. Okay, thank you so much sir Jugal. Thank you sir. तो पेरेंट्स आई होप आप प्लीज अपने कमेंट्स जो है व्हाट्सएप पर भेज सकते हैं, कुछ पॉजिटिव कुछ नेगेटिव, वी आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू इम्प्रोवाइज आंसर. अब विद दिस आई लाइक टू एंड द स्ट्रीमिंग ओवर हियर एंड कल फिर से कंटिन्यू करेंगे 3 to 5. ओके, द लिंक विल बी शेयर्ड विद यू टुमारो 12 o'clock. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.
सर ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है. मतलब इसमें टेंशन का तो अंदर से अपन थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल लेवल पे बुला ले. मैं आज अगर मेरा वो कैमरा का काम हो गया तब ये आगे थोड़ा डिस्कस करता हूं. एक बार ही खत्म, टेंशन ही खत्म हो. सब कुछ ना वॉइस का रखना है, कुछ नहीं. तो अभी क्या होगा, वो जो मेरा कैमरा है लैपटॉप के लिए भी पड़ा रहने दो. एक तो सा कैमरा है, जिधर भी उधर प्लेस कर दो उसको. ये सब है टाइम सिर्फ इसको कनेक्टिविटी एक बार दीजिए. खत्म ना, क्या रिकॉर्डिंग करने का नहीं, कुछ नहीं. अभी भी इट वाज 70% विजिबल. मैंने बहुत सारे फोटो निकाले सामान के साथ. वो प्लेन में फोटो लेते तो थोड़ा सा ही वो जूम ऑप्शन था उसमें. मतलब जब आप लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग देखते हैं ना, एंड बच्चों को बोलना कि सेट एट 480 चालू कर दीजिए. अगर आप अच्छा भी डालोगे ना तो 480 तक इट इज वेरी गुड. बराबर. और उससे भी जो आते थे 720 पर जिनके पास नहीं है 480 है, मैंने 480 किया. अगर 720 लोगे तो और अच्छा है, जिसका नेट पावरफुल है.
डालेंगे कमेंट करेंगे.
वो तो मेरा कैमरा का डेवलपमेंट कर लेते हैं, टेंशन खत्म. तो डायरेक्ट पूरा अपन बीसीसी के चैनल से क्या.
हाँ, फिर के देख करके कल लोगों ने क्या करना है. हाँ, कल में वो जीबी पाने
फिर सबसे पहले है. हाँ, दो काम करना. सेशन की लिंक आप 2:30 बजे भेज दो. हाँ, वो ये लफड़ा करने मत करना. 2:30 बजे आपको लिंक आएगी, यहाँ पर सेशन एक्टिवेट करके छोड़ देंगे. कुछ उसको करने का नहीं, सिर्फ माइक पर पॉज करके रहेंगे.
अच्छा, आवाज नहीं देगी.
हाँ, सेशन चालू करके बोर्ड पे पीसीसी लिख कर देना. क्लास विल स्टार्ट एट शार्प 3 PM. आप आपका काम करने के लिए चले जाओ. एंड सिर्फ वहाँ पर ये आने के बाद है ना, सिर्फ चैट बॉक्स में ना अपने अपने हाई कमेंट डालो. कौन आ गया है तो अपन लेक्चर स्टार्ट करें. जैसे आज वो कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट 2-3 बच्चे लिखे, ढेर बड़े हमारे
तुम्हारा है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, मेरा तो बच्चा दिखता नहीं है. मेरे बच्चे पटेल. हाँ, वो उसका कमेंट है, उसका
मेरे नाम ढेर बड़े आ रहे हैं. ये प्रॉब्लम आ गया. मैंने इसमें एक का मैसेज आया कि लिंक का ये भेजो, तो फिर मैंने कॉपी करके लिंक भेज दिया.
भेजते हैं तो फिर अच्छे रहते हैं. हमारे में सवेरे
जो अपने कैमरा में आ गई वो बड़ा
जानती थी लेकिन रिकॉर्ड
तो रिकॉर्ड करके तो अपने आगे ये लेता है आज थोड़ा सा करके होगा उसको ये एडजस्ट कर
हाँ इसमें हो गया तो हो गया मतलब सीसीएस वालों से जूम पे हाँ हो गया जूम का रिकॉर्ड करके डाल देने के फिर उसके अभी ये भी रिकॉर्डेड पड़ा है
हाँ अभी पढ़ा रहेगा ये मेरे इसमें पढ़ा रहेगा और तुम्हारे इसमें
मेरे इसमें पड़ा है तो लिंक मेरे पास है
हाँ
तो कोई भी देख सकता है
Are you sure you want to end your stream? End.